What's that?
Weather service.
Tornado warning.
Service in northern
Wait, no,
Indiana has
it's
issued a
tornado
thunderstorm
possible.
warning for
You
southeastern
idiot.
Wells County, southern Adams County, northern Jay County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bern, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
I can hardly
This is a
sit
radar
down
indicated
before
threat.
everything
The
explodes
following
again.
impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bern, Geneva, Westchester,
It is chaos.
Bryant, Veracruz, Trinity, Salon, Reedsburg, Petroleum, Lynn Grove, Domestic, New Corton, and Fiat. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor
The
of a building.
unverified tornado report
Repeating,
from
a
Fiat.
severe thunderstorm warning has
I
been
doubt
issued
that was
until
legitimate.
4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Jay, Indiana,